Where we at?
Cartagena.
Where's that?
Colombia.
Where's that? Charleston, South Carolina?
I said Colombia, not Columbus.
Columbia.
Colombia, yeah. Get it right, get it tight.
Wow.
Put that in there.
Well, I am putting that in there. I'm putting all of that in there. Y'all gonna see this. So yeah, we just arrived. I haven't pulled out my other camera, so y'all won't get the shaky footage no more on the trip. But I was testing out this new phone that I got, or that I was forced to get rather. But I'm okay. I'm happy with it. It's okay. It's way bigger than my other phone, and I'm not the biggest fan of that just now because I feel like I'm gonna drop it at any second. But we're waiting on an Uber because Uber is here. It's like $4 to Uber. What's the guy's name? Dario's gonna be. Oh, no, thank you. Dario's gonna be arriving in 1 minute in a beige Renault Logan.
What's a Logan?
I don't know what the hell that
We'll
is.
find
I'm
out.
putting a picture of the car. But yeah.
Hay la señal en Cartagena grande. ¿Eso dónde está eso?
So we made it to our Airbnb, and our
Tiniest elevator. Wait,
well, no, the one in France was smaller.
Yeah.
This one is spacious. We both can get in here with bags. Spacious.
Oh,
Oh,
right in front.
right off the elevator is our room. Just beep, beep, beep. And here begins your room tour. I don't know if this will get pulled out in a separate video yet, but in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's just stupid.
Well, this is our lovely Airbnb for next week. We entered, it's gonna be a small little kitchenette.
Mm-hmm.
We got a fridge. What's this?
Washer.
Oh, washer. Stove.
I'm telling you about your crib.
Another bed that no one's gonna sleep in. Cute little mirror. I feel about my crib.
It is a mirror because these are needed. A view of a building. A view of a yellow building. Closet action. And an iron, because I'm gonna need that. Bathroom situation. Okay. Oh, this is, oh, Amelia, this is everything. Alright, so we got some rest once we checked in. Now we're about to go find some food. Our day one wasn't that busy. Look at me sounding like I know. But the lights are here. Our day one wasn't that busy.
We'll just travel.
This will be travel, so this is essentially a travel day, but we got here earlier than we normally do on our day one of travel days.
Very true.
So we're just chilling out, checking out the things around our area. There's a supermercado.
Expresso?
But it's a supermercado.
Yeah.
Like China, bro. Like 2 blocks away, so we're gonna walk there, get some water, and then if we see a restaurant or something, pop in and get some food. Neither one of us are hungry, but it's gonna be just our luck. The middle of the night, starving. So let's go down the stairs.
Okay.
But it's on one stairs. Come on. Oh, it's good. Oh, you want to get a big water? Okay. I think you go right and then left. Mission accomplished. So, just had breakfast, early out, about to meet for our walking tour, but okay, let's restart that. So, we're up, out and at 'em, did a little bit of walking to find a breakfast spot because the one we wanted was closed, but we found another one, Bris. It's a coffee shop. I just covered Amelia's face. It's a coffee shop, but it was actually really good. I had sandwich de pavo y queso y honey mustard, because I don't know how to say that in Spanish.
Yeah. And I had...
And Doritos, which weren't really Doritos,
right,
but essentially a Dorito, but sweeter. And Amelia had huevos y queso y maíz y... That's it. No, did it have sausage? Did it have sausage?
It had sausage. Salchicha.
I was gonna say chorizo.
No, salchicha.
Salchicha. So yeah, it was pretty good. There'll be some food running through this while we're talking right now. But yeah, so now we're gonna meet our walking tour guide, right?
Yeah, but I don't think this is it. It's not the big plaza.
I told you.
Yeah.
She don't listen to me. So we're gonna do our walking tour now, and I'll take you on that. If the sound isn't that great, I apologize. I definitely took off the mic and put it on my camera, and then when I put it on my camera, I took it off to pack it. So I'll do my best with this audio for y'all, but here we are.
It's going to be what was Cartagena yesterday. It was Cartagena today in 2019. Is that what you're looking for?
Yes.
Well, perfect. This tour, like every day, this tour is based on a suggested tip. Our suggested tip is 20,000 pesos per person. I'm gonna do my best. Okay? So listen. Let me give you first of all some general information about Cartagena. Cartagena was founded in 1533 by the Spanish. Because of the reasons, our language in Cartagena, it is Spanish. The first thing it was called the Sea Square, like the Ocean Square. Because behind this white building, it was located before the old port of Cartagena.
Alright, so we're learning and seeing a few things on this tour.
It was by someone from France named Robert Banal from France. There is a back Martin Coty from France too. But also from UK. This guy named John Harvey. Possibly you heard about this one, I'm gonna mention. 1586. Sir Francis Drake. What about Francis Drake?
Hold on. Gotta be quicker than that. So, we're still on this tour. Walking in the suns of the things. The temperature has definitely gone up. This car just tried to kill me. Look, people. I mean, I'm in the street, so he probably has all of the rights to hit me. But damn. So yeah, we've learned a few things. A lot of people tried to invade. Some were successful. Some weren't. Some couldn't take the heat, so they just fell off and retreated. But yeah. So we're here. But interesting fact, according to the guy, allegedly, they didn't really get a proper education system until about 15 years ago. That's like 2004 maybe, 15 years ago. So, wow, the privilege.
When you see the seahorse or a Melbourne, represents because a beach shop or beach company. Understand this? But when you see the hand in the ring, represents that the daughter of the house was engaged.
Oh.
And that means that man at that time had to be away from the door. Nobody can get close to the door to knock because she was already engaged. In a friendly way. La gordita de Botero. La gordita de Botero. Okay? And this for friendships. This is the local drink what Cartagena people drink in Cartagena, which is called the lemonade. Let's keep walking, group. Coral stone to filter out the walls in Cartagena. When I say coral stone, that from here you can see the material, what they use. Coral stone, brick, and limestone. That's what they use to filter out. That happens in 1602. But right here on top of this place, there is a place which is called Café del Mar. The right landmark to run later, the sunset. Okay, later around 5 p.m. it's gonna be more people here. It's gonna be tables, and you will see people going up and going out. That's a wonderful place to stay here in Cartagena. But I have to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that you are a good group. Because of this, I congratulate you. Because I know the temperature today was very strong, and you keep. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ending the tour here.
So, we just finished up our walking tour. And it was really good. I learned a lot. Very informative. Now we're about to go to the mall because I left my Apple Watch. Don't know how. I have a few of them, but clearly packed none of them, and now my watch is on like 30%. And all this work I'm doing, as far as working out, will not go unaccounted for. So, we're gonna go to the mall and find one before we get dinner.
She's about to graduate from her English course, so she wants to speak English with me for a little bit. It was so cute. She said she want to go back to the U.S. Well, go to the U.S. to help people, which is very nice.
We need more people like her.
Yeah.
Like the guy said, she's gonna change the world.
Yes.
We're waiting. We need change.
Definitely.
But we gotta go get this charger and then going to El Cafe de
Espiritu Santo.
Espiritu Santo. Is it cafe?
No. Restaurante.
We're going to Restaurante Espiritu Santo.
Did you tell them about the walking tour?
I did. Anything you want to tell them in case I miss?
If you guys want to know more information, you can comment down. I'll link anything you need or any questions.
All right. So we're at not the mall I had in mind, but it is more so like a flea market. And we've now gone to 3 stores that say different things for the stores. Hopefully that the journey that we're being put on leads me to a charger and I can be great. So yeah. Store at the mall. After an Uber ride, walking all over El Centro, what's Centro Plaza? What is it called? El Centro something. It was like more like a flea market feel, not the mall feel. So everyone kept saying, "Oh yeah, go this way. They should have it. Go this way. They should have it." And then finally, the place that they told us should have it told us to come here. So now we're here, and it's a mall. It's like any other mall. So that's pretty cool to see. But they have a Mac Center, which I'm taking as a Mac store, and we're gonna hope they have this charger so we can get on about our day. Because they're saying I can do shit all day, lies. Oh, it's fine. Está bien.
There you go.
All right, so we made it. I don't like this look, but we've made it to Espirito Santo. It's a restaurant. A few things before we get into this. They don't take cards. Most vlogs don't say that, so this is me telling you they don't take cards. And they have menus in both English and Spanish. Look at your boy. Look at y'all fave. Show him your menu. No, show him your menu. Let him see all that English on that menu. One for your boy. My one to like everything else.
Who is speaking it here?
It's okay. I can understand what I'm about to eat. Yeah. Yeah. Hook it up. She hooked it up.